Today we're going to have a look at something which should be really quite simple, and that's fitting the cover to your AQUAS water heater. What's important here is you will see on the cover that there is two handles and there is two spindles, and we need to make sure that the handle position is exactly aligned with the spindle position. So on the diverter position you can see the raised section on the adapter part is at 12 o'clock and the button is at 12 o'clock. So these two are already aligned. On the balancing valve spindle, there is no indication so we can see exactly the position. So what we need to do is we need to rotate the spindle to the maximum clockwise position. And if we look at the handle, this also locks in the maximum clockwise position round about the 5 o'clock position. So again, these two are now aligned and we can now safely fit the cover. And you can hear the snap, so we know that the cover is now fitted correctly, and you can now rotate the button and recheck to make sure that there is maximum rotation. Again, on the diverter there is the full 180 degree movement, so the cover is fine. So I hope that helps. If you have any further problems or need any further assistance, do look at some of our additional videos on the website, which you can find at www.aquashower.co.uk.